Today, we're going to make a growth chart out of colored pencils and epoxy on Urban Shopworks. So that's 600 pencil crayons cut into 5 pieces each. It doesn't even cover half.
I've been thinking how our tastes in music reflect our everyday lives. Around 10 or 12 years ago, the trend was all for new music. I've been thinking how our tastes in music reflect our everyday lives. Around 10 or 12 years ago, the trend was all for new music.
Guys, so I'm going to tell you a little story here. I'm working away on my pencil crayon growth chart, and needless to say, this thing has been a roller coaster. So if you've been following closely, this is my second attempt. I had to completely abandon my first attempt due to a pretty significant design flaw, and the mold fell apart. But that's neither here nor there. That's all the pencil crayon pieces from the first attempt. And I know what you're thinking. Well, how come you didn't reuse those? Well, I'm glad you asked. That's because they're all the wrong length. So, moving on, I had this brilliant idea that I was gonna fill all of the numbers in the dashes with these white crayons. Actually, white crayons. Sounds like a great idea, right? You know, stick with the Crayola theme. So I did that. Terrible idea. Take it from me, that didn't work at all. What happens when you melt crayons with a hot glue gun is they melt, but they also form bubbles, and those bubbles don't go away. So I took a heat gun and I melted every single one of these that was full of white wax out. That took the whole night. So almost thought I was gonna have to abandon this thing again and start over again. And I'm starting to hate pencil crayons. So fortunately, I got the wax cleaned up and Now I'm going to go to plan B, which was actually plan A. And that is, I'm going to use white epoxy, which I should have done in the first place. But hey, you live, you learn. So if you're following along, that's the drama. Seems so simple in the beginning. So simple. I mean, really, like, how hard could this be? Apparently, pretty damn hard.
I've been thinking how our tastes in music reflect our everyday lives. Around 10 or 12 years ago, the trend was all for new music. I've been thinking how our tastes in music reflect our everyday lives. Around 10 or 12 years ago, the trend was all for new music. I've been thinking how our tastes